Hello guys, my name is Nikhil Banga. Today I will be teaching you how to use arrays in your C and C++ programs, and I think it will be very interesting to all of you, and please do subscribe to my channel also. Then we are going to take what is the syntax of an array. Firstly, we have to know what is the syntax of an array in any of the program. Array can be used inside the array. First we have to write integer type array, float type array, anything, and then with square bracket with the variable name like a, and we can assign the size of an array inside that square brackets. And also if there is an if there is it is like written as 8, then our indices is from 0 to 7 only, because 0 to 7 it is 8, because it is not starting from 8. Every C and C plus program use arrays which whose indexes is always start from 0 and goes to 7 and n minus 1, we can say. And array, we have to write array in the code section, and the code section is like that: main functions and functions. You are right, you write your C++ program or C programs like main functions and functions like integer a square brackets 8. Don't worry, I will be discuss some of the programs, and mainly the functions. In which function we have write arrays, it will use stack memory. Which memory? Stack memory. And for using heap memory, I will discuss all this type of memory later. Array uses stack memory mainly, but if we want to use heap memory, then pointer only help us to use that type of memory. Okay guys, then we will see some of the programs. Hello guys, in this program we will learn how to declare and initialize itself an array using user as well as in the program itself. So this is a basic header file has included stdio.h, which is the C program file. In the main function, we are going to declare an array, only declaration of an array. You can use this syntax to declare an array only of any size. This array is on 5 size, and array name is arr1, and it is of integer type. Okay, and then declaration and initialization of an array in the program itself you can do by these methods. This is a type 2 integer type array, name is arr2, size is 5, and the elements are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 is at 0 index, 3 is at 1 index, and last one is at 4th index. Okay, and what is a confusing method came now, which is type 3. Array is of integer type, that's okay. Then array name is arr3, array size is 5, but initialize done is at 0 index and first index. And what about the second, third and fourth index? Second, third and fourth index in this type of program is initialized with the zeros only, which initialize with the 0 only. Yes, there is no garbage value, anything else. They contain 0 till in a second, third and fourth index. Then we are going to know next type of index, next type of array. Arrays of integer type, array name is arr4 and size is 5. And what is the meaning of 0 here? Guys, as I already told, if there is no elements which is mentioned at here, like at 0 index it is say 2, and it is 3 at first index. So it is at 0 index there is 0, and rest elements are put it to 0 only, like in type 3 also. This is the copy of type 3, but it is confusing for some of the students. Okay friends, and Next array is integer 5. This is same 2 3. This is not same. This is the best method I can say for initialization in the program itself. No need to write the size at here. There is no need to write the size at here. Array definitely know the size of an array, but we don't have to write array size at here because we are initializing three variables. Then array size is 3 only. 0 index, 1 index and second index. Array size is 3 only. Then I am going to explain you how to use this type of array. This type of array using for loops. Okay guys, this is the printf statement written at here. We are telling to user enter elements in an array. Okay, then it is the slash n for the line space. This is the for loop. Integer I equal to 0, I less than 5 and I plus plus. This is the syntax you know. Array size is 5, that's why I written 5 at here. Okay, you can anything you can use. This is the array syntax and the scanf statement take the scanning of the array using address operator and the value is updated at here in the using this in I value is updated at here when you enter using user will enter the values 5 values user will enter. Then the next printf statement telling elements are what and it will print elements how many elements you entered and it will print all the elements using this for loop. For loop same syntax. Then printf percentage d. I am using space to make it very clear to the user what he entered and it will print all the values. Let us check will it print or not. Enter elements in an array 1. The message is printed to user using this line. Okay guys, then we are going to see it again. Enter elements and array. Then array size is 5 you know. Then 5 6 7 8 9. 5 values we have entered. Okay guys, then scanf do their its work. 5 6 7 8 9 it will scan 5 values from us using this scanf statement. These 5 values we have entered and this printf statement will now print it here because it is after the for loop. And now this for loop is going to work and it for loop prints the value which we scanned using scanf, which is 5 6 7 8 9. Thank you guys, I think you know how to do that. If not, then ask in comment section. Hello guys, now we are going to print elements of type 2 type 3 type 4 and type 5 type of array. And declaration and initialization of array, as initialization is also done in this, so we don't have to write this for loop because initialization is always also done in the program itself, so we don't have to write this for loop. We have to write this type of for loop only. So we are going to write printf enter elements in array. Oh sorry, elements in array. As initially is already done, we don't have to write anything. Elements in array 2 is guys copy that code only. This for loop code we have to copy only. then only we have to write ARR of 2 and same copy. Then this one is ARR 3. What is ARR 3? You can see 2 and 3 only, and rest elements I have said you that rest elements are initialized with 0 itself. Then there are 4. This type of array, it will initialize with 0 only. Then all the elements of this array will print as 0. Array 5. You can see here I write array size is 3. I've changed array size is 3 because I've said you there is no size is mentioned here. We have to see the size from here only. We can see that there is 3 elements initialized, so we can print only 3 elements. Array 5 is elements in array 5 is 3 elements are here. Array 5 same syntax we are using to print. Then you can see what is happening at here. Oh, there is an array. Array. I think void main is not closed. Yeah. Array 1 we have to initialize. You know guys, 5 elements I have entered. It will print everything. Elements are 3 here. Elements are elements in array 1. We have entered 12, 34, 54, 54 and 54. This one is we have already done. Array 2. Array 2 elements are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here. I think you are able to see it. Array 2 elements are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. So it will print 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. Okay. Then 2 and 3 and I have said you the rest all elements are initialized to 0. And 2 and 3 rest all elements are initialized to 0 only. Okay. And this 0 will initialize all element to 0 only. All are 0. This is in this type of array size is not mentioned. Then we have used 3 for using for loop. 2, 3, 4 elements. Then 2, 3, 4 is going to print it here only. Thank you guys. I think you're getting. If there is any question related to this type of question, please ask in comment section. Please ask any of your doubt in comment section and do subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.